Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how to share your screen using Google Meet. The first thing you want to do is you want to look at the bottom of your screen and you're going to see that there's a few buttons at the bottom. The first one is the microphone. The next one is the video camera. The third one is CC, which is closed captioning. And then the fourth one that looks like a square with an arrow inside of it pointing up. That's the button or the icon to share your screen. When you click on that, you're going to be presented with three options. The first one is presenting your entire screen. The second one is presenting a window. And then the third one is presenting a tab. I like to present a window only. And the reason for that is because that means that I'm only going to share whatever window I want to share. This assumes that you already have that window opened. So you want to make sure that before you start presenting, you have whatever document it is that you want to share, whatever program that you want to share opened, or if it's an email, you want to make sure that it's opened before you attempt to present. So because I know I already have it opened, I'm going to click on a window and then it's going to show me this window here that says share an application window and that my browser wants to share the contents of my screen with meet.google.com. The first one is usually the browser or the meeting that you're on. And then the second one, because I only have two windows opened, is the notes that I want to share in the meeting. Once I'm ready to do that, I'm going to press share. And then it's going to open the window that I'm interested in sharing. I like to ask in the meeting if everybody's able to see my screen to let me know. Once I get positive confirmation, I proceed with reading whatever it is that I want to read. You're also going to see this notification at the bottom that it's telling you that meet.google.com is sharing a window. I like to keep this open so that I'm aware that I'm still sharing, and also so that I can click on stop sharing whenever I'm ready. Once you're ready, you want to stop sharing, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like if you want to share your entire screen. I'm going to click on the bottom icon here that says present now, and then I'm going to do your entire screen. Once you do that, it's going to show you your entire screen, and it's going to tell you that you want to share the contents of your screen with meet.google.com. I'm going to select it, and you're going to see this blue box around it which shows you what is selected, and then you're going to press share. Now that is telling you you are presenting your screen. You're going to get the notification at the bottom like before, and then you're just going to find whatever it is that you want to share. So let's say I want to share my browser, then I do that. Whenever I'm ready again, I'm going to stop sharing. Now the other thing that I want to let you know is that usually when you're doing this for the first time, you're going to get a message that says, do you want to allow Chrome or Firefox or Safari or Internet Explorer, whatever browser that you're using, do you want to allow it to have access to your computer? You want to make sure you allow that. It's going to say either a message like that, and it's going to give you the option to allow or deny. I believe that's what it looks like. I'm not sure. If you have a Mac, the process is a little bit more involved. So if you do and you have questions, just let me know if you need help, and then I can help you with that. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching it.